The topic of today's video is how to link Whoop to Strava. Now, I'd love to show you inside the Whoop app, but unfortunately it requires a subscription and a device. But I can show you in Strava where to find the most up-to-date way to do it. So what you want to do is click on your profile icon on the top of the screen. You then want to click on Settings on the top right. Then connect an app or device. Go to I have a different device. In here, you'll find a list, and you can always use this list for the most up-to-date instructions on how to connect devices. So we're going to scroll down till we see Whoop, and right over here. At the end of the day, any tutorial maker uses this information. Anyways, this is the most up-to-date way to connect Whoop. It seems pretty easy, seems like it is in Strava, settings, integrations, and then you can connect the two. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that does help you out to connect Whoop. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.